Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Jordan and I post motherhood lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I would love for you guys to subscribe. I am a little sick right now, so that is why my voice sounds like really weird. Today I'm doing a clean with me and I am super excited. This video is actually a collab with Jessicajoyxo, so don't forget to go check out her video and her channel. She posts awesome videos. I'm trying this new curly girl method. I don't know. My hair looks less frizzy and I feel like a brand new woman, but I'm going to do an update video on that sometime in the near future. Alright, y'all. This is my bathroom. The mop bucket, though. The toilet paper. My son just threw that there. I'm not that messy. But this is like literally a full week and a half, maybe 2 weeks of not feeling good and not cleaning. This is what my bathroom will look like. This is like, this is where I'm really upset. I mean, there's a hair clump. Do you see that? Do you see that? There is a hair clump. Look at this. Oh, I'm sorry. Cringe alert. Cringe alert. Yeah, we're gonna clean this up today. I'm actually gonna be using all Method products with the exception of the Grove Collaborative Glass Cleaner. This is what it is. Hello. This is what it is. It's the concentrate. Can you all see that? Yeah. Okay, it's the concentrate and you just put it in this glass bottle. I mean, look how cute that is. It's so cute. It says Grove. So cute. And you fill it with water, so it's super cool. And I'm going to be using my Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. I just got a new scrub brush, y'all. I'm super stoked. That's how you know you're an adult, when you get excited over a toilet scrubber. And also the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner and Spearmint. I'm super excited, guys. Alright guys, it's the end of the clean with me. If you guys like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks. Have a great day.